The Schaeffler Group is one of the most influential automotive and industrial suppliers and is still family-owned and operated. At the headquarters in Herzogenaurach, Germany, solutions are in development that will literally move us all in the future. The same goes for the location in Kitzingen, Germany. Additionally, Schaeffler considers itself a pioneer of electromobility. SSI SCHAEFER was commissioned as general contractor to implement one of the most modern distribution centers for the Schaeffler Group. Powerful logistics systems paired with intelligent software ensure maximum goods availability.
Dr.
Zellerhoff, we are here in the largest and most successful distribution center in Europe for Schaeffler and stand next to a Formula E racing car. Why?
Warum?
Because Schaeffler is very successful in Formula E. A racing car has to be fast. It has to be technically reliable. It contains plenty of innovations, very similar to the distribution center.
And what if we take a closer look at the cooperation of SSI SCHAEFER and Schaeffler?
The cooperation was excellent and very successful. The project posed a great number of challenges, and even more so since we had a very short implementation period.
This is really a state-of-the-art installation. What exactly makes this installation so special for Schaeffler?
The distribution center is the core of our European supply network for our industrial customers.
What was the goal when you started this project?
For us, it was essential to ensure inventory availability and consistent product supply to our customers, and to receive the entire range of different technical components and these top workstations from a single source.
What are the highlights of this large-scale project?
From a technological point of view, the highlights are the robotic applications like the depalletizer or our automatic application of delivery notifications, dispatch labels, and of course the ergonomic workstations.
Like one of these?
This is a multifunctional picking workstation. Here, pallets for customers and care packages are packed.
"35 meters. We are now in the high bay warehouse. What exactly happens here?
Here in the high bay warehouse, Euro pallets and half pallets are stored and retrieved. For this purpose, we use double mass store retrieval machines, so we can either transport 2 Euro pallets or 4 half pallets at the same time.
Tell me about the catchphrase Maintenance 4.0. What is this?
Maintenance 4.0 means that we can anticipate when system components run the risk of failing. Our most important system components are equipped with the Schaeffler Smart Check, and this Smart Check determines vibration and temperature of this motor. And if a critical value is reached, the control center is informed straight away.
Thank you so much, Dr. Zellerhoff, for having us. One last question. May I?
Of course.